think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Alright, so here we are. Gamer Cat back with you here. We're going to try something a little different. We're going to play our Murloc deck. It's a Paladin based deck, but it's a Murloc deck. The idea here is to try to get some of the Divine Shield characters to actually get done with that. We have a quest where we're supposed to get, I think it's 10 Divine Shield characters. I think we have 5 that we've played so far. So we're just going to try to go ahead and get that quest taken care of. In the meantime, try to beat up on a mage here with our Murloc deck. We're going to start second. What I usually do here with this character right here is I usually wait until there's another character on the field because of his ability. So let's go ahead and actually pass the turn back to our opponent. This deck's not as aggressive as the aggro deck that we've been playing on our previous 4 games now. Let's see. We'll go ahead and use our ability to get at least one character out on the field right now. I do kind of like the same tactic. I like to be able to basically get my field going and get as much taken out of my opponent's field as possible to kind of make sure that I create a... Oops. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Nothing too huge yet. Here is an opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Then I'm going to boost him. I'm going to boost the other guy, actually, still. Because he's going to be... This guy here is going to be a sacrifice. We're going to kill that. And then we're going to go ahead and do some damage. There we go. And starting next turn, we'll be able to start deploying out some Murlocs and some other stuff. Okay. So what I want to do is him, because I really don't care about this power. In fact, having a Fire Blast might be a lot better. And then we'll go ahead and beef him up. And what I expect the opponent to do here is basically use this character here to start fighting off these guys. That's why I'm going to go for the face. I will bet you that he's going to use this character to fight off at least this guy here. This guy's the big threat. Oh, Fireball, not a problem. He'll still use that character, I think. Nope. Well, that's relatively effective right there. There we go. Okay. We need one more turn to get this guy ready. Let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get rid of that guy. And you go ahead and use our coin. Do 2 damage. And then using the one that we got from the coin and the rest of our crystals, we're going to go ahead and kill him. There we go. If I can't have any minions, neither can you. Oh, damn. One of the things you got to do is you got to watch out for the answers. Which, here you are. Let's see. Let's delay doing stuff for just a second and start peppering this guy with damage. Oh, not a bad card to get. There we go. And we've already hammered him quite a bit, so taking 3 points of damage won't do us too much harm. Secrets are always fun. Drawing 3 cards at this point basically means I don't have to worry about anything except the minion. I don't do anything like... I don't have... This character doesn't have weaponry, so big deal. Let's see here. I'm going to delay that again. Because what I'm going to do is... Get out a knife thrower. Get out him. Hopefully, knife thrower will shoot this guy. Shoot him. Thank you. We work well as a team. There. So once again, taking control of the field with one of our mid-level combinations here, waiting to go. We've not yet seen any of the Divine Shield characters, which is why I'm playing this particular deck at this point. But it'll come. Yes. Now she does have a secret up there, which could do any number of things. Meh, don't care. And I don't care because, quite frankly, Eels only has a 1/3 chance of hitting me, and he didn't do it. So he's a non-factor at the moment. Okay, so we've got 8. We only need 6 to take off on our thing here, which we'll do because this allows us to, that. Then I'm going to go ahead and deploy him. Give me another knife throw. Kill him. Yeah, whatever. And go after the face. Because, there we go. That pops the secret. Not a problem. Let's start destroying the extra armor. The reason why I go after the face even with this guy is because this guy can't move. This guy, he can't. I shouldn't say can't move. That's a little imprecise. He can't attack. So I don't have to worry about him personally coming over and making an attack and wiping out anything. Now he'll launch off of an 8-point fireball each turn, but now my character, my hero here, has a 1 in 5 chance of getting hit. Well, until he does that. Now it's still down to 1 to 3, and he's gonna make it a half chance, which is actually good on his part. Now I don't mind taking 8 points right there. There we go. This is excellent. Okay, but let's go ahead and re-up everything here. Fireball him again. And do that. There we go. Now we're back up to 1 in 5 chance. Will we win this game? Not sure. I kind of would not mind him. Well, kind of would not mind him doing more damage than that. But okay, fine. The reason why, of course, is because I'm looking to use our Game Changer card there. Go ahead and hit that. And you know what? Let's go ahead and get rid of this annoyance. There we go. And quite frankly, let's get rid of your armor. There we go. And quite frankly, I don't care that he's making his cards less expensive with Emperor Thracian there. At least for now. Ow. There goes my weapon. That kind of sucks. It's really good gameplay from this guy right now. Of course, you do get better gameplay as you go up the ladder here. We're at level 18. And so the gameplay is getting better as we go. But he does not have that guy throwing out a 8-point fireball each turn. Although he's doing a pretty good job of wiping down our group here, which we wanted. Check this out. That's a Murloc. Very good. We're going to do that. There we go. Alrighty then. I'm going to go ahead and clear the board. I didn't quite clear the board. Oh, yeah, I did. Good, good, good. Okay, very good. I've got board control again. Now, that's definitely cool. Don't care. You got the... You got the... Don't care. I could kill you in next turn anyway. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still have you. Even with that guy. And I'm going to deploy this guy here, which will definitely help me out. So, big deal. Okay, so you... Because... Let's go ahead and kill our guy. Our old guy. Now that he is a traitor to us. Got another guy out there. 1, 2. That gets rid of him. There you go. Now his best option is to go after and kill this guy, which he's going to do. I think. Because that weakens all of these guys. And he'll fireball one other one. His issue is that right now he's down to 1 card. I'll just silence someone who doesn't have a power so I can get him out there. There we go. Another secret. You can have two copies of any card in your deck, so this could be another 8 points of armor, I think, possibility. We'll find out in about a second. Because here we go. Nope. Apparently not. Some other secret. I'm betting, guessed on what's happening here, that's the one. There's a secret out there that gives you 1 extra turn if you go to if your opponent has lethal on you and hits you for lethal, you get 1 extra turn. Basically, you get 1 turn of invulnerability. Okay, he's going to draw a card here. That's why he's targeting his own guy. Not bad. Gets a 4/4 dragon out of the deal. And another spell card. Very nice. At this point, I don't care about his minions, because I've already got lethal on him. I think I'm probably going to end up having to do 2 turns of it, though. Let me take a look, because here's where I'm going to find out. Yep, there it is. Ice block! He's invulnerable, so don't kill him. At this point, we'll trade there and go there. But we have, yeah, and I'm not going to waste more time on him. I'm going to just wait. Because unless he has something that totally radically changes things, he's dead. No. No. Well, that kills 1 character. 4. Yeah. Another fireball will kill another one. And your dragon guy will kill 1. But it doesn't do anything. I can still... Oh, yeah, I gotcha. Thank you. All right. A win for the Murloc deck. There we go. Well-deserved win and another star here for my attempt to climb up the ladder here, so to speak. Anyway, nice game. Yay, celebration. Anyway, if you like what you saw, feel free to leave comments down below. In the meantime, this is Gamer Cat signing off.